today. Historically, the cannon behind me was called a 6-pounder iron gun. A relatively small cannon for the history of this fortress, but a very impressive weapon. This cannon was capable of firing a baseball-sized 6-pound solid iron ball about as far away as you see our lighthouse. That is a mile and a half away downrange. But as you look around the fortress today, you'll find larger weapons. Notably down by the flagpole. That's a collection of 16-pounders, 18-pounders, and 24-pounders. Cannons once capable of throwing their shots up to 3 miles downrange. The real question being, could they accurately hit a target 3 miles away? No. That answer is no. But imagine being out there when these shots are being fired. The interesting thing about what you're about to watch us do is, yes, we're about to fire a cannon, but there are different ways that soldiers fired cannons. Are you on board a ship? Are you on a battlefield? Are you inside of a fortress? We are obviously inside of a fortress. So their firing style was less about speed and more about survival and the conservation of resources. There are parts of these walls that, even though I started this presentation with how fragile they are and please don't sit on them, that kind of thing, parts of this building, these walls are over 10 feet thick. They can take an awful lot of hits before you start to have problems. And the cannonballs back then, they didn't actually blow up. They're just solid metal objects. So people defending a fortress, yeah, they're concerned about people running up to these walls, but at the height of this fort's history, there were over 40 weapons on top of this building. They all worked together. So you could go for days where not a single one is shot. You could go for an entire day where all of them are being shot. So you only fire a cannon when you need to. And the demonstration that we are about to do with our soldiers is going to reflect that style of fighting where soldiers took their time. However, keep this in mind. We're using a small cannon. This cannon here weighs close to 2,000 pounds. Takes 5 people to crew this weapon. Big cannon down there weighs close to 7,000 pounds. A lot more work involved in moving that around. So the demonstration we're about to do reflects that slow style of fighting, more about conserving resources than about speed of getting those shots fired out there.
Ready? Watch it. Watch it.
¡Artilleros! ¡Vamos a la línea! ¡Por fuego! ¡Atacador! ¡Apunten! ¡Adelante, arquero! Regárense para el sitio. Vaqueros, salta abajo. Echen la cuchara en el cañón. Reconozca, si está acá, coordinado. Cuchara. It's nada. You tap it out for goal. Pasa nada, there can go. C'era solo là! A pronto l'attaccatore! Il povero! Entra in l'el cagnone! Attacken!
You're getting ready. Okay. Almost ready. I smell it.
Come on, los espejes! Disparare! Ah, pone in batteria el cañón! Cañón in batteria! Disparare para la punteria!
Go ahead, fire.
Okay, ready? Getting ready. Oh, Chloe. Get ready. Okay, both hands over here.
Aspecti su la gara.
You don't want to hurt your ears.
Deve comprare, Leo, for goal.
Okay, here they go.
Todo, por fuego. Por fuego, El Cañón. Otto, y sopra la mecha.
Tápense los oídos, cover your ears. Tápense los oídos, cover your ears.